Hi guys, recently I got this HART toolset and I think that it's really nice. Let's see what comes inside of it. Okay, first obviously we have the travel pack and it's cushioned so all your tools get protected. We have a drill. I have already tested everything out. Each piece is a 20 volts piece with the battery that comes included. You get two different batteries and the battery charger, so you have them both ready to use. Okay, you have a adjustment in here to select the power, and we got two different selections on this side, so which speed we are gonna use. Okay, which I think that it's nice. We can select if we want to go reverse or forward, and we get a light in here so we can work when it's dark, which I think that it's really nice. Depending of what we need, we can have the settings adjustments. Okay, we get also an impact driver. Okay, you got the chuck in here so you can take easily all the parts in or out depending of what you need. Okay, we got a 20 volts lamp. Okay, which I think that it's nice. That way if you're working in the dark you can have it ready if you're doing some outdoors work or anything. I think that it's really nice. And this wood cutter. Okay, as I've said, each one of the pieces is 20 volts. We can open it like this with this switch and we get a blade. Okay, I haven't used it just yet, but it's really nice. We can lock it or unlock it depending of what we are going to use it, or if we're going to leave it like there. And overall, because it's a really complete set, I like it a lot. You get different tools that are gonna come in handy in any kind of do-it-yourself project or any project that you want to do at home, which I think that it's great. I also like that you get two different batteries. That way you can have your two sets of batteries completely charged, and if any case you're working at one runs out, you can just take them. You have a battery indicator level button right here, which I think that it's really nice. And overall, because it's really nice, it's a complete set and all the tools feels of an amazing quality, I will really recommend it. See you guys.